Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, and that brings about a very logical question. That question revolved around the fact that when you stop and think about the fact that the price just on Tuesday was all the way down there, now the price is up there. Granted, sure, it was a bigger pullback from the highs, but relatively speaking, from where it was down here to where it is right now, still definitely a very, very nice movement, which all leads to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level down here at 12 cents. Why is 12 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 12. And I'm not saying this will occur, but for example's sake, let's say that the price comes down to 12 cents and then just continues on down. At that point in time, what would you have? Well, from a very literal point of view, you'd have the price right back inside of that range that the price just broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation all of a sudden? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, once more, quote unquote, progress being defined as 12 cents. What about levels of resistance? Well, as of right now, it's all about the pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the famous 200 period moving average. Sure, the price did temporarily get above it earlier today, but then as soon as the price fell back below it, you can see the price try to get up above it right there, and then that is where it failed to do so. So keep a close eye on that level, give or take right around that 13 cent mark. Overall, though, anyway, look at it. Great bounce today, great volume. Now it's the question of, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.